Hello everyone. Today we're going to create something completely new and different. First, take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only 13 videos, but the views are incredible. Some videos have over 400,000 views. Others have more than 600,000 views. And one of them is already approaching 1 million views. As you can see, the channel is monetized as well. Its estimated monthly income is around $3,200, which is impressive considering it only has 13 uploaded videos. Now let me show you another animal channel. This one has uploaded only 10 videos, yet the results are amazing. Some videos have over 600,000 views, one has around 900,000 views, and another has reached 1.7 million views. You can clearly see how well this niche is performing. The channel's estimated monthly income is around $4,700, which is extremely high. As the channel continues to grow, its earnings will likely increase even further. The good news is that you can create the same type of videos very easily. You don't need advanced editing skills or expensive software. By following the exact method I'm going to show you, you can start creating viral animal content and build your own successful channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. AI Viral Creation will continue bringing you more tutorials, strategies, and methods to help you create viral AI content. Now, let's get started and learn exactly how to create this type of viral content step by step. Now, we'll move on to creating the videos. For video generation, I'll be using two different AI tools. First, let's open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, I'll provide you with a prompt document. Copy the first green section of the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It will ask you for the YouTube channel links whose videos you want to recreate. Simply copy and paste 2-3 video links from that channel. ChatGPT will analyze those videos and identify the storytelling style, characters, visuals, and overall content structure. Once the analysis is complete, go back to the prompt document and copy the first red prompt section. Paste it into ChatGPT, and it will instantly generate a 150-word story, image prompts, video prompts, and scene descriptions. As you can see, the story is ready, the image prompts are generated, and the first few video prompts are also available. This makes ChatGPT an incredibly powerful tool for creating AI content quickly and efficiently. Next, we need to generate images. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI and click on Image Generation. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and keep the model settings on auto. Then, paste your image prompts one by one. Leonardo AI will begin generating high-quality images automatically. Using the auto model allows you to create more images with fewer credits. While some models may only generate around 5 images, the auto option can often produce 10 to 15 images per day on a single account. The results are highly realistic and visually impressive. Once all the images are generated, we are ready for the next step, creating AI videos using two powerful video generation tools. Next, for video creation, we'll use a website called Pixverse AI. As you can see, many creators have been using this tool for a long time because of its amazing video quality. The best part is that I'm going to show you how to use it for free. Right now, I have 130 credits available in my account, which I can use to generate AI videos. Let me explain how I earned these credits and how you can do the same. First, click on the Earn Credits option. Once you click it, you'll see several ways to earn free credits. You can earn up to 4,340 credits in total. For example, inviting a friend can give you 100 credits. Inviting more friends can unlock additional rewards, and the credit amount increases as you complete more referrals. You can also earn free credits by logging in daily, downloading the mobile app, completing profile customization tasks, and participating in other available activities. By taking advantage of all these options, you can collect up to 4,340 credits within a month without purchasing any paid plan. In my case, I earned 130 credits through these free methods. Now, let's create a video. First, upload the image you generated earlier. After uploading the image, paste the corresponding video prompt into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, click Create, and the video generation process will begin immediately. As you can see, the AI starts creating the video within seconds. The final result is impressive, with smooth motion and high-quality visuals. I can repeat the same process with another image. Simply upload the image, paste the prompt, and click Create. The video will be generated automatically. Using this method, you can quickly create multiple AI videos with excellent quality and realistic results. Now, let's move on to the next website, where we'll continue creating videos using the same images and prompts. The next website we'll use is FlowLabs. Simply search for FlowLabs on Google and open the first website that appears. It's an excellent AI video generation platform, and I personally use it every day to create videos. When you create a new account, FlowLabs gives you 150 free credits to get started. In addition, you receive 50 free credits daily, which allows you to keep generating videos regularly. You can also use different email accounts if you need additional credits. After signing in, click on New Project. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the project dashboard, where you can start creating videos. The first step is to upload your image. After uploading the image, click on the Animate option. Once you select Animate, paste your video prompt into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, the AI will begin processing the image, and your video generation will start automatically. Let's do the same with another image. Upload the second image, click on Animate, and paste the corresponding video prompt. As soon as you paste the prompt and start the generation process, the AI will begin creating the video. Using this workflow, you can generate multiple videos quickly and efficiently. The results are impressive, with smooth animations and high-quality visuals. As you can see, the videos have already been created, and the output quality is excellent. FlowLabs is a powerful and easy-to-use platform that makes AI video creation simple, even for beginners. With its free daily credits and great results, it's one of the best tools available for creating AI-generated videos. If you want to create AI voiceovers, one of the best websites you can use is Unlimited AI Tools Text-to-Speech. If you can't find the website, leave a comment and I'll help you locate it. Once you open the website, simply paste your story script into the text box. After that, choose a voice from the available options. For storytelling videos, I recommend selecting a voice from the storytelling or motivational category. In this example, I'll choose a storytelling voice. After selecting the voice, click on Generate Voice. Within a few seconds, your AI voiceover will be ready. As you can see, the generated voice quality is excellent, natural, and perfect for storytelling videos. You can listen to it and download it for your project.
Fierce falcon, diving from the sky to attack a deadly desert snake near a giant canyon cliff.
Now, our AI images, AI videos, and AI voiceover are all ready. The final step is video editing. For editing, I use CapCut, which is one of the best and easiest video editing software options available. Import all your AI-generated videos and voiceover into CapCut, then arrange the clips according to your story. After adjusting the video clips, add animations to make the scenes more engaging. Animations are very important because they make the video look more professional and dynamic. Next, apply effects to enhance the overall visual quality. Once you add animations and effects, your video will look much more polished and cinematic. As you can see, the final video is now complete and ready to upload. If you want to learn more methods like this and create amazing AI videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. I'll continue bringing you more AI video creation tutorials and helpful content in future videos. Thanks for watching.